We're soaring high above the emerald tapestry of England, a land steeped in history and bursting with adventure. From bustling cities to rugged coastlines, ancient forests to serene lakes, this island nation promises a journey you won't soon forget. Are you ready to explore the most breathtaking places in England? Join me as we dive into stunning scenery, rich history, and thrilling adventures. We'll uncover hidden gems and conquer challenging landscapes, all while experiencing the true spirit of this remarkable country. Get ready to be amazed. We're dropping right into the heart of England, London. This concrete jungle is a whirlwind of iconic landmarks and vibrant energy. Picture this, the Tower Bridge, standing guard over the Thames like a steel giant, its history as rich and layered as the city itself. We'll feel the pulse of London life at the foot of the Shard, its glass peak piercing the clouds. And listen, the city's symphony never sleeps. A chorus of languages, laughter, and the steady hum of adventure. London's a melting pot, a place where centuries-old traditions and cutting-edge trends collide. We'll navigate bustling markets, each sense on high alert, soaking in the sights, sounds, and smells of this urban jungle. We'll walk in the footsteps of royalty and revolutionaries, feeling the weight of history with every step. Remember, in this urban jungle, every corner holds a new discovery. Hold on to your hats, because we're heading back in time along the Jurassic coast. Imagine this. Sheer cliffs plunging into the sea, wind whipping your face as you scan the rocks for traces of prehistoric life. This isn't just a coastline, it's a journey through millions of years. A UNESCO World Heritage Site that has stories etched into every layer of rock. We'll scramble over fossil-studded beaches, unearthing fragments of ancient creatures like ammonites and even dinosaur bones. Feel the spray of the sea on your face, the same sea that once teemed with prehistoric life. The Jurassic coast is a stark reminder of the power of nature, both in its beauty and its ability to transport us through time. Next up, we're strapping on our hiking boots and tackling the rugged beauty of the Peak District. Imagine rolling hills stretching as far as the eye can see, dotted with quaint villages and crisscrossed by winding trails. This is a landscape that begs to be explored on foot, each step a testament to your endurance. We'll feel the burn in our calves as we ascend rocky outcrops, rewarding ourselves with breathtaking panoramic views. We'll navigate ancient stone walls, remnants of a time when life moved at a slower pace. And as the sun sets, casting long shadows across the valleys, we'll find solace in the quiet beauty of the Peak District. Get ready to step back in time as we venture into the heart of the New Forest. Imagine ancient woodlands teeming with life, sunlight dappling through the canopy as wild ponies roam freely beneath. This is a place where time seems to stand still, where nature reigns supreme and adventure awaits around every bend. We'll tread carefully through the undergrowth, keeping an eye out for deer darting through the trees and listening for the call of rare birds overhead. We'll ride horseback through sun-dappled glades, feeling the wind in our hair and the thrill of the open trail. And as we gather around a crackling campfire, the spirit of the New Forest will captivate our souls. Prepare to be transported back to Roman Britain as we stand before the mighty Hadrian's Wall. Imagine a stone sentinel stretching across the rugged landscape, a testament to the ambition and engineering prowess of the Roman Empire. This is a place where history comes alive, where every stone whispers tales of conquest and resilience. We'll trace the wall's path across rolling hills and wind-swept moorland, feeling the weight of history beneath our boots. We'll stand atop crumbling ramparts, imagining the Roman soldiers who once patrolled this frontier. And as we gaze out over the vast expanse, we'll feel a connection to the past that transcends time itself. Get ready to be swept away by the breathtaking beauty of the Lake District, a landscape that has inspired poets and adventurers for centuries. Imagine shimmering lakes reflecting towering mountains, rolling hills carpeted in vibrant green, and charming villages nestled along the water's edge. This is a place to reconnect with nature, to find solace in its tranquility and inspiration in its grandeur. We'll take to the water, gliding across serene lakes in a traditional wooden boat, the gentle sound of oars dipping into the water our only soundtrack. We'll hike to the summit of majestic peaks, our breath taken away by panoramic views that stretch as far as the eye can see. And as we stand on the shores of Windermere, the largest lake in England, we'll understand why this place has captured the hearts of so many. Hold on to your hats, because we're about to experience the vibrant energy of Brighton. A seaside city that's as eclectic as it is captivating. Imagine colourful Victorian architecture lining a bustling promenade, the iconic Brighton Pier jutting out into the sea, and the sound of crashing waves mingling with the laughter of families at play. We'll stroll along the beach, feeling the sand between our toes and the salty breeze in our hair. We'll brave the rides and attractions of the pier, our screams lost in the cries of seagulls overhead. And as the sun sets, casting a golden glow over the city, we'll raise a glass to Brighton's unique blend of history, culture, and seaside charm. Prepare to be awestruck by the raw, untamed beauty of Snowdonia National Park, a land of towering peaks, glacial valleys, and cascading waterfalls. Imagine jagged mountain ridges piercing the clouds, emerald valleys carved by ancient glaciers, and crystal-clear streams cascading down rocky slopes. We'll lace up our hiking boots and tackle the challenging ascent of Mount Snowdon, the highest peak in Wales. Our reward, a breathtaking panorama that stretches as far as the eye can see. We'll navigate narrow mountain passes, feeling the adrenaline course through our veins as we conquer each obstacle. And as we stand on the summit, surrounded by the raw power of nature, we'll feel a sense of accomplishment that's truly exhilarating. Get ready to be charmed by the idyllic beauty of the Cotswolds, a region of rolling hills, honey-coloured villages, and time-honoured traditions. Imagine winding country lanes lined with ancient hedgerows, quaint villages built from honey-coloured stone, and cosy pubs welcoming you with the aroma of freshly baked bread. We'll wander through charming villages, each one seemingly frozen in time, their streets lined with charming cottages and bustling with local life. We'll sample local delicacies at a farmer's market, the air filled with the scent of fresh produce and handmade crafts. And as we sit by a crackling fire in a cosy pub, we'll feel the warmth of the Cotswolds' hospitality envelop us. Our final adventure takes us to the Isle of Wight, a place where time seems to move a little slower and the pace of life is dictated by the rhythm of the sea. Imagine dramatic chalk cliffs plunging into the sea, sandy beaches stretching as far as the eye can see, and charming seaside towns bustling with life. We'll hike along the island's scenic coastal path, the wind whipping through our hair as we take in breathtaking views of the English Channel. We'll try our hand at sailing, feeling the thrill of the wind in our sails as we navigate the waves. And as we relax on the beach, listening to the sound of the waves crashing against the shore, we'll bid farewell to England, our hearts filled with unforgettable memories. From the vibrant streets of London to the peaceful Isle of Wight, England offers adventures for every traveller. We've scaled mountains, explored ancient ruins, and felt the pulse of city life. We've tasted the flavors of local cuisine, listened to the tales of history, and immersed ourselves in the natural beauty of this remarkable country. Which of these stunning locations will you visit first? England has a way of getting under your skin, of capturing your heart and leaving you longing to return. It's a place where history and modernity collide, where adventure awaits around every corner, and where the spirit of exploration is always alive. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to experience the magic of England for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore with us. We'll see you on our next adventure.